excited because today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on sleek and easy snatched half up, half down style. I love this so much. It's so easy to just throw together and it looks so seamless and nice. And if you want to see how to achieve this full and effortless half up, half down style, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Start by figuring out how you want to section off the up part from the down part of the hairstyle. Once you get the parting the way you want, grab a bristle brush comb and smooth out the top. Sometimes I have to grab some more hair from the back to add to the little ponytail, especially if I'm going to add a ponytail wrap or extensions of any kind. To add some sleekness to this hairstyle, I'm using Giovanni's Stronghold Styling Gel. And of course, it's both vegan and cruelty-free. I'm squeezing some gel in a very odd way, but it's really effective and easy and doesn't make so much of a mess into the sleeked part of the ponytail so that it adds some shine and keeps things nice and smoothed down. And it kind of looks like Stitch just left some snot on my head. But we're okay with that because it's Stitch, even though it's not Stitch and it's hair gel, but it's vegan and cruelty-free hair gel.
I hope you're responsible.
This hairstyle is so fun and cute. I can't get over it. Once I get to this step, even though I'm not completely done, even though you could be completely done if you want to, and you'll see why. I just love this hairstyle. It's so fun and easy, and my hair is out of my face. You can just leave the hairstyle like this and take on your day, or you can step it up a bit and add a ponytail wrap, which is what I'm gonna do. First, grab a tiny elastic and tie it an inch above the base hair tie. This will give the ponytail wrap something to grip onto, as well as add some more height to that pony. Today, I'm using my Irresistible Me Ponytail Wrap in 1B Natural Black, which is actually a bit darker than my hair. However, it can be dyed to match my exact color if I really need to, or if I ever want to change up my hair color. And for reference, this ponytail wrap that I'm using is 24 inches long. It has a comb clip at the base of the wrap and ribbon to secure the ponytail to your real ponytail. Make sure the comb clip is tightly secured in your hair because you don't want it pulling down on your ponytail, making it all droopy and sad. You want it lifted and light. I'm now gathering together the entire ponytail to wrap the ribbon around the base, and you just want to make sure that everything is perfectly separated from the up and the down part of the style so that you don't have hair caught in the ribbon that gets kind of pulled and is uncomfortable and makes a mess and can cause breakage. So just try to make this process as clean and neat as possible. Once the ribbon is at the end of both sides, I just cross tie them without making a knot or even a bow, because then I take a hair clip or a bobby pin to lock that ribbon in place so that it's not going anywhere. I kind of like the look of the ribbon on the Irresistible Me ponytail wrap, so I'm just going to leave it like this rather than cover it with a section of hair like I usually do when I put my hair entirely up in a ponytail, but I'm kind of liking the ribbon being exposed. It's cute. To finish everything off, I'm taking John Masters Organics Leave-In Conditioning Mist with green tea and calendula. This is just a really nice spray to bring together the ponytail wrap with my actual hair and just add some more shine to the overall look.
Sometimes I'm mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood, on my attitude. Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home. I don't really give a if I was just the only one like that.
And that is how I do this half up, half down full hairstyle that I adore so much. Like I said, it's extremely easy. I mean, as you can tell, it's really easy to just put together. I love the fact that I can wear it when my roots grow out because I have a naturally light ashy brown hair color, and I dye my hair clearly this color, dark brown, and so you can definitely see a difference. So it's harder for me to wear my hair fully down, which is pretty rare when I do, but if I do, it's very noticeable. If I do wear my hair up like this, half up, half down even, it doesn't have to be fully up, you don't see the roots whatsoever. I've done plenty of videos where my roots are like 3 inches outgrown, and you can't even tell because I'm wearing this hairstyle. So it's that amazing, as well as I highly recommend you do this with a ponytail wrap, because not only does it make it even more thick and voluminous, it also seamlessly hides where your hair splits off from up to down. It's amazing, especially from the back. It just makes this look even more done up and put together than it already does just by hiding this separation from the back. It's everything. I just can't get enough of this style, especially for this time of the year, even though who knows what's gonna happen with our activities and all that kind of stuff. However, we can still look super cute at home. I'll see you in my next video, but until then, you can catch me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for daily content, all at Sorsha.
Hope you're